What HVAC issues occur after replacing roofing? The most common problems are damaged vents, blocked airflow, loose connections, water leaks, and debris entering the heating and cooling system. Roof replacement can affect heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment because roofers often work near vents, exhaust pipes, ducts, and outdoor equipment. A roof vent may be cracked, covered, or installed too close to new shingles, which can cause poor ventilation or water to enter the attic. If an exhaust pipe from a furnace or water heater is moved or blocked, dangerous gases may not leave the home properly, so it needs immediate professional inspection. Roofing nails, dust, and insulation can also fall near duct openings or the outdoor air conditioner, reducing airflow and making the system work harder. Sometimes workers accidentally disconnect a flexible duct or damage its insulation, causing rooms to receive less conditioned air. Rain can enter through an improperly sealed flashing area and wet nearby ductwork or insulation. After the work is finished, check for unusual noises, weak airflow, higher energy bills, strange smells, or water stains, and schedule an inspection before running the system for long periods. One lesser-known issue is that a darker or poorly ventilated new roof can increase attic temperatures, forcing air conditioning equipment and ductwork to work harder. A common mistake is assuming a new roof automatically protects every vent, so ask the roofer to inspect and photograph all roof penetrations before leaving. Another mistake is ignoring a furnace or water heater exhaust pipe that looks slightly tilted or blocked, so have a qualified heating technician check it and test for safe venting. People also sometimes blame the air conditioner when the real problem is crushed duct insulation or roofing debris, so compare airflow in each room and replace damaged filters. Never seal, move, or cover a vent yourself if it connects to combustion equipment, because an incorrect repair can create a serious safety hazard. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.